Assalamu alaikum everyone. Yesterday I was going on Facebook Live. Then I was talking about two things. There is a lot of pressure on me and my father to say those things. There was some kind of meeting about it. Then two people come our house from that meeting. I did not blame anyone or say anything bad in that Facebook Live. Nothing to say. The environment in our village is not good because if someone says something good, they will be guilty. Nothing to say.